welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the cutting tree season. This is how you get some good coconuts as well. Some coconuts already dropped down all the way here. Oh my god. I can see at least 10 coconuts. Alright guys, it's Sunday. Yesterday was the last day of the International Fireworks Festival and it was actually kinda crazy busy, insanely busy. I think this was definitely the busiest I've seen it in Da Nang. So, if you're into fireworks, that's very nice. It looked very nice. We were at the Sky 36, but the Sky 36 was definitely not worth it. I think the table was 5 million, and then you got some fried chicken and a pathetic pizza. Just think about the cheapest supermarket pizza you can imagine in your home country. This is what they served, and everything was cold and was standing there already. And then there was like 2 types of drinks included. Yeah, it was pretty bad. But the 10 minutes or 15 minutes fireworks was pretty good. And the look around the city was also very good. But I think there are better options in the hotels with food-wise. So I would have rather have a nice seating, good food, and then watched it. But yeah, it is what it is. This is how the money exchange is today. But I would still go to Bucks or to the Wood Guy. And Butcher Grill is open now for breakfast as well here. Should definitely try out the English breakfast here. I don't know where it is. And Egg Benny's 89k. Pretty good. Not many motorbikes are here. It's also a big sign that the city is very busy. But let's check out the beach. Let's check out the beach, how it looks now. Yesterday I went the first time. Oh, by the way, the Grab to the Novotel hotel was 240,000 dong because of it was very busy. That's why Grab went up. So the taxi back was pretty cheap. I took a taxi. So I just went to a nice hotel on the way back and took a taxi. And he felt like bad, as if he's scamming me, but yeah, Grab was more expensive than taxi at the moment, at that time. Very interesting. In this street, the new Chops restaurant is, I like it. Like, I always like Chops. I had a triple smash burger, pretty good. We went there with my wife's best friends and their boyfriends. They visited from Hanoi, so yeah, they wanted to have burgers. After our dinner at the Sky 36. Sky 36 was also very interesting. The whole setup was very busy. And yeah. Hey, let's check out the night market. Is this breakfast? No, it's not open yet. I really hope the English dude gonna open this soon. But it still looks so dead here. I mean, it's a night market, but this here is a brunch spot. And in the front is also a brunch spot. It's a friendly Vietnamese lady who's married to a German. She opened it, but she says she's struggling. No one is coming. I feel very bad for her. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, it's morning, Sunday morning. I think the ocean will gonna look good, but we'll find out. So if you are not into fireworks, you should definitely make a plan for next year not to be here. Maybe go to Hoi An or to Hue. And of course, book early. Book early. Whenever you look, also always check out the public holidays. I think the next public holiday is in September 2nd. I could imagine it's going to be busy there as well, because many people are going to have 2-3 days off at least, or a long weekend. So yeah, always double check on that too. Oh yeah, beautiful beach here. The city is extremely full, but this Sunday morning is very empty here, guys. If you compare that to yesterday in the evening, crazy. And it will also probably be today afternoonish, sunset time-ish, will be also the same. I'm actually on my way to the Aussie Bistro. Gonna check in with Rod and what the roast is doing. The Sunday roast. Those are illegally parked vehicles. Usually when the guard guy comes or something, or the person who's in charge of keeping it clean here, then they will whistle. And sometimes the traffic police comes with a truck. Then that's definitely the end, because they getting all the motorbikes on the truck. It's crazy how empty it is. But yeah, in the sun, the locals will not be out. But I think today in the evening, it's gonna be packed as well, very packed. There are also so many cars everywhere. And since Da Nang do not have any real parking for cars, you will see them all on the streets. Many people drove here as well, because the airfare has also been very, very expensive at the moment. Flying usually, I don't know why, but the flights from Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi to here are way more expensive now, at least what I checked. We're here at the Maya Beach. My favorite yellow car here with coconuts. It's a beautiful blue sky today. I think it's the best time to go to the ocean all the time. And I'm walking around like a moron here. So don't forget to like, guys. Like and subscribe. Getting my morning steps in, and after the roast I'm gonna go to the gym, I think, again. Photo shoots going on here. Some surfing lessons over there. I think the number one thing you have to change here in Da Nang when you come here, if you are not out drinking all the time, you should definitely wake up early. The best time is really everything before 8 now. It's not that hot, it's nice and calm. I mean, it depends, and right at the sunrise, the beach is packed, but even then it's like the streets you walk around, the sun is not that hot. It's great, it's great. You should definitely check that out. Paradise Beach Club here. I had a very warm coconut the other day here, so we'll definitely don't do this again. I think it's just a place to get the beer, the pints. Yeah, now I have to go over there through that 2 buildings here. Go straight to the Aussie Bistro. I'm wondering if this Starbucks is doing business here or not. But I feel like some people, if the Robusta bean is too strong, they might rather go to Starbucks and they know what it is. But actually there are so many normal coffee shops. They also have Arabica bean. And normal coffee is like cappuccino or anything like that. You can always check. It's usually more expensive than the Vietnamese coffee options. But if the Vietnamese coffee is too strong for you or too bitter, depends on how you drink it. Some places are a little bit better than other ones, but there are some Vietnamese coffee shops that I actually like the most. The coffee is very strong and yeah, very, very strong and bitter. I like it. I feel like alive after that. This is the Halina Hotel, also very interesting. So Halina and Alani are right next to each other, all in the street, in the Chan Bac Dan Street, which is the parallel street to the beach, which I actually like, this whole street. It's such a long street. It goes all the way from the beginning, from Antung 1 area, and the Antung area, all the way to Sontra. I'm walking in the shade here. This is the entrance to the Muang Thang building, actually. And all big buildings usually in Vietnam have some convenience stores, restaurants, massage places, everything right down there. Which makes sense, yeah. Always keep an eye on your head. It's very dangerous here. Oh, look at this. A Maybach. Did they ever made a Maybach? V-Class? Huh. All right, guys, so this is a little sneaky route here. I don't even think this is a street, an official street. But at the end of this way is the Aussie Bistro. Something is happening here. Look at the small piece of land what they're gonna develop. It's a very slim piece of land. It's very interesting. I always thought you cannot buy half lands, or like these smaller ones here in this region. But it could also be the owner of the land leased out half. Maybe some kind of restaurant or something is coming up there. Peugeot. Very interesting. Very rare. This is actually a very nice area to live here, in my opinion. Sometimes the school has some events and that's gonna be loud, but other than that, it's pretty nice. Dang Spa Aussie Bistro. So before, the Aussie Bistro was the big one. Dang Spa was half, and then half was Aussie Bistro. And I always had this little plot of land to park the motorbike, but then the owner sold it now, I think. Now it has to be, yeah, Let's see what's happening with this land. I'm so hot. All right, guys, I can already hear the sizzling here. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.